Hi everybody, and welcome back to Kevin's Upfront Opinion. So, the revised figures have come in from the Office for National Statistics about the economy. So, good old Rachel Reeves and Keir Starmer promised us that we were going to be the fastest growing economy in the G7. Now, what have the Office of National Statistics actually come out and said? Well, previous estimates for July and September said the economy grew by 0.1%. That wasn't technically true. So early estimates show that the real GDP per head fell by 0.2% in the third quarter of 2024 and is 0.2% lower compared with the same quarter a year ago. Okay, so that's where it is. Okay, basically flatlined, went to zero. So, is it their fault? The fundamental problem that I would say is, and I'm trying to find a nice way to put it, is if you consider it's from July to September, is they've only just come into power. Now, the problem that there was they should have done a budget pretty much straight away, which is what you normally expect a government to do, and they did nothing. They put things out about things they were going to do. They went and increased wages for the public sector, which never went down very well. They kept on going on about this black hole, which automatically puts no confidence in business. So from that point of view, there is an argument that you could say that, yeah, it is their fault. Because at that time of year, you generally expect people to be going out and everything. But there was the argument that people were getting really, really nervous about what the government were going to do in a budget. And that budget may have taken a few months to come through. So from that point of view, I would say yes, this is the government's fault that it's flatlined. Categorically, I'd say it is. But with Keir Starmer and Rachel Reeves' statements saying that we're going to be the fastest growing country in the G7. So, how are we doing in the G7? This is the interesting bit. And I want people to let me know what they actually think. And you can let me know in the comments below. I've got no problem, and I'll get back to you. I'll try to get back to everybody. As it happens, we're joint last. So we've gone from one of the fastest growing to now basically joint bottom with Italy. Can you believe that? Joint bottom. So, as the old saying goes, the only way is up. You know, you can't do much worse as we're joint bottom. You know, if it was football, I wouldn't mind being level with Italy on some occasions in the past. But when it comes to the economy, slightly different. So, what I want you all to do is let us know if you think it is the government's fault, if they are responsible and they have to take accountability for what's happened, or because, you know, if I went and got Keir Starmer on this video, I know he's going to say, yeah, but it's all the Conservatives' fault. You know, they left us with a 22 billion, then a 40 billion pound black hole. Forget about that rubbish. You know, what people want to know is what you're going to do about it. So let us know what you're going to do about it, Keir and Rachel. I'm not going to say your surnames because you're ticking me off enough as it is. So let us know what you're actually going to do to turn this around. But for now, thanks for listening. And I'll speak to you again a bit later.